We ask for the 12 octave of light to open to the heart portal. We ask all the angels, archangels, to merge their heart energy with our heart energy. We give thanks as we ask to expand it 1,000-fold in the sacred space. Blessed be all beings, blessed be all beings, blessed be all beings. And now, with your beautiful imagination, see yourself at the seaside, a place where you were used to go as a child, when you spent probably many beautiful summers being the child in innocence, playing with the sands, playing with the rocks, playing with the water, place where you also might have learned to swim. You're back there. It's so nice because it's summer, the sun is shining, and you have good memories of this place. You made new friends, you had some challenges, but overall it's a place where you're happy to be back. You are bare feet. Now you're walking into the sea, into the water. And the water is quite cold because it's early summer and it hasn't warmed up yet. But the air outside is very warm. So now you decide to go in up to your waist slowly, feeling the bottom of the sea. Could be sand, could be stones, little pebbles. Feel it. Feel while you're walking. Feel the bottom of the sea slowly. And the water is coming now all the way to your waist. It's really nice. Yes, it's chilly, but it's nice. It's refreshing you. Go further in. Walk. And now you cannot touch anymore the bottom, so you start swimming. Swim further out. The waves are very small. There are no currents, so the swimming is really easy. And now dive down into the deep water because it looks very welcoming. Your eyes are open while you dive down. Kick yourself down with your legs. Help yourself going further down with your arms. It's very beautiful down there. It's blue. There are fishes around. And you don't need an oxygen tank. You don't need any diving equipment because you can breathe down there, almost like you were a fish. And it's such a beautiful dimension to be in underwater. Everything is so calm. It's almost like being back in your mother womb, in the amniotic fluid of your mother. And you feel the love of your mother for you when you were in her. As you can feel now the love of Mother Earth for you, for all of us. It's a very special moment for you, because you need to feel this love and the protection of the Mother. In a moment where maybe your life is a bit challenging, where you might have met some difficulties, so just enjoy diving in the blue. There are some fishes passing by and other water beings. Try to connect with them. See if they connect with you. And it's now time to go back to the surface. So you dive all the way up, slowly, enjoying it. Dive all the way up and you arrive on the surface. And your head is out now, in the fresh air, in the beautiful sunshine, kissing you, warming your head. And you look around and you see the beauty of Mother Earth. What a special place. And you feel her love for you and the abundance you receive every day. Give thanks to her and to all beings on Mother Earth. And now slowly, when you are ready, open your eyes. And we give thanks, we give thanks, we give thanks. Blessed be all beings, blessed be all beings, blessed be all beings.